I can probably tell you, when I was an MP, that time also there were lots of problems in Nehu. Nehu, the professors and the non-teaching staff, they all have different concerns. So what I used to do is that I used to call the joint secretary or the secretary in Ministry of Education, or what they call Human Resource Development in the department. So we quietly used to come and listen and solve one by one whatever was possible. It's not possible to solve all the problems, but we never disturb the students, because our main concern was always the students are on top priority. We should not sacrifice the students' career. I was a student, I remember when I was doing engineering, when there's a strike, most of my friends, they used to be at least 1 year behind me. But I was in Bengal in a college where, students are always taken care of. Though there will be problems of the staff, non-teaching staff, or this or that problem, but they never disturb their students. So I learned from that. So Nehu also we did so. After we was not an MP, things happened, and then many of my friends told me, why not the Congress so involved? I said, no, in education, in institutions, we should not involve politics much. We can help to build, but we should not help in destroying it. For the Vice Chancellor, I remember I personally went, me and Dr. Karluki, we met the ministers, they promised us, they gave us the Vice Chancellor, who used to be from Nehu, who knows the things and all, but didn't give it because the background to be a Vice Chancellor nowadays, first you have to be a RSS or somebody background who support the BJP. So we didn't, when we didn't get it, and from that time we knew that there'll be a problem in Nehu, because Nehu are full of energy and full of knowledgeable people there. You cannot suppress them, you cannot pressurize them. So this is the thing which we normally do. So as an MP, I think I've done lots of works for the Nehu. Lots of departments have been increased. Lots of department has been brought in Nehu when I was there. I don't say that I've done everything, but I remember the former Vice Chancellor of Nehu, 2-3 former Vice Chancellors, we used to work together. Sometimes they bring the proposal to Delhi, they submitted it to the department or to the ministries, and then they'll give me a call, said, Pala, we have done this, can you follow up? Same was in Nigrim, same was in IM. I was instrumental in bringing to the government to allot the land for IM. So whatever the department here, be it IM, be it Nigrims, be it Nehu, we used to work together with the director or the Vice Chancellor or whoever be there. So it's our job to do that. It's our job not to interfere with the day-to-day. Our job is not to back up the student or back up the officers or back up the profit and any other organizations. That is not our job. I think VC's time is about to over. VC's time is about to over, and 100% I'm telling you, if the government of India give a proper VC, I think there should not be a problem in Nehu. The Nehu are genuine concern maybe. I was in touch with the VC, I was in touch with the Pro-VC, I was in touch with the people in the Nehu, and they have a genuine concern. So I think if they give the proper Vice Chancellor which have a common understandings or have a discussions with the people, I don't think Nehu is a big problem.
Do you think that local Vice Chancellor from local should be?
It's not necessary that to be a local, it has to be who deserve to be. It's who deserve to be. Today, if you suppose, you cannot compromise institutions because of local. Example, your brother is a doctor, you cannot operate only because he's a doctor. Certain things you cannot compromise. So same in education also, we should not compromise only in local. Preference can be that if the same quality of local and non-local, then we can opt for local. But according to me, education we should not compromise. We should see who is the best for the students. Because we are living in a world of competitions. So we cannot compromise only because of locals.